Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy Telegram group link. First, what you need to do is to open the group chat of that you have make it or that you're in. For example, I will choose the first one and you have 5 members here, I think. Yes. Now what should I do? I need to click on the upper side and then click on edit, and then you need to go down, and as you can see in the third section you have invite links. Go on that, and as you can see here you have a copy. Go on that, you link copy to clipboard. Now for example I will send it to someone, for example on this, and go paste. Go there, and as you can see we have done it guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you hit that like and comment down below if you have any questions about it, and see you soon guys.